we can see here in PyCharm where I have all the code and the repository, the nodes.com file. This file defines which nodes, the ID, if they are online or offline, the kind of mount and the path. If a server is offline, it will not be used. So we are going to encode one file. I have selected one jewel from the literature, the Catalan literature. It's the book named Tirant lo Blanc, or translated to English, The White Knight. Oh, sorry. I launched the Phoenix process, which is the one that restored from the blocks. That's okay. That was good because it shows that the file was not on the system. So I launched breakminator over the file. Okay, and it verifies the node.conf. From the 12 nodes, it uses the 9 that are online. The disk space available is calculated and used, and then the nodes will be sorted by disk space in order to distribute one block per server, but with priority to those that have more percentage of free space. The encoded block files have been generated. The ratio is 1.5. That means that 50% of parity has been added in this example. So from the 6 files, we can afford to lose 2 of them. And the hash of the contents is calculated. Then the files are written to the final destination on the servers to verify that there is no problem writing to them. And if there is no problem, then finally the node allocation sequence for the servers is finally obtained, and then the metadata is encoded in the file names. That completes the process. Now, if we wanted to use Phoenix to restore the original file, we'll do the opposite process, checking that everything is okay, validating that the checksum, the file size of the blocks is okay, and after encoding again, it will also validate the checksum of the original file. One very interesting thing is that we scan on the online nodes for one matching file based on the name. And when one valid block is found, we have all the information to locate the others. So basically the node allocation table, which is in here, and all the metadata is extracted and validated. So we are going to destroy 2 of those blocks to show that the tool is able to restore the original file. So I'm deleting just this from node 7, and I'm going to corrupt another one. I'm going to corrupt this, for example. And in order to corrupt it, what I do is use DD to generate a sequence of random numbers, random characters, whatever. Output file equal this file, and I will set the status so we see the progress. Okay, enough. So now we are going to restore the file. As you can see in here, we have been able to restore the file with 2 not available files. In one case, we get this warning, that is the node 7 was supposed to be holding one of the block files, but is not there. And in the other case, the file was found, but did not match. The number of bytes did not match, and also the hash did not match. Obviously, if the bytes don't match, the hash will not match. But I wanted to show both of the errors separately. Okay, now we are going to encode one file, another kind of file, not a text file, but a video file. So I'm going to encode this one. Okay, fantastic. Everything has worked. And then I wanted to demonstrate the idea of having a kind on-demand service. So first, sorry, I'm gonna start my web server process, and for this I created a small software that will handle all of this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is put this in here, always visible, because we will see real time what's going on. So if I request this without any parameter, it says file requested cannot be decoded, and we see here what's going on. We can see in the code, we can see that what we will do if a file is requested, basically it will be executed in Python with our Phoenix process. So basically what we will do is restore the file on demand and show in the browser. And here we will see the same that was output by in this case the Phoenix process. So what I'm gonna do is like request the original file for the White Knight book. Let me see. So this was the name. Was not exactly this. Okay, yeah, this was not the name. This was the name. Yeah, okay. So it has decoded on real time and has displayed in here. And now let's see what happens if we request the other file. So we are going to create kind of YouTube. And this is the video I prepared. It was decoded in real time. Thanks for watching.